Hello everyone. Again, as I previously mentioned in my last video, I will be assembling the camshaft and crankshaft. However, I'm only able to assemble the camshaft installed with the gear mount. Found a couple of minor issues. One, when I installed the camshaft properly, I was after installing with the lubricant and everything, when I tried to spin, I felt it was trying to bind or stuck, but most likely it was the issue with these two bolts, with the retainer bolts. If you see these one and these one, they were touching the gear, I believe. I did not verify at that time, but somehow I just proceed to uninstall and install back again. So there's no issue anymore. I simply reinstall it, I wash it clean and have everything and lubricate it again. So it's installed. One issue I found was this camshaft timing gear was, when I took it to the machinist shop, I did not remove the gear from the camshaft, and when I received it back, it was already installed. So I thought maybe they're going to remove it, but when I get it back, it was installed. So I am not sure, maybe they did not try to remove it, or maybe they remove it and install it back, I'm guessing. However, when I was trying to remove it, I thought I can easily remove it. Maybe they just put it together gently. So I was not able to pull it out. So it looks like, however, whatever method they install or not install, but the gear is stuck. So I hope it's properly installed. I will, when I install the crankshaft, I will see the gears are mashing and they are flush. Both gears are flush together, not protruding. This gear is either out or in. So that's what I'm going to verify once I'll install it. So other than that, everything is good. What happened is, now I wanted to proceed and install the crankshaft, but in order to install the crankshaft, I have to figure out these. I have to have these seals in these two grooves for the main general. What I found in my gasket kit is, I found this seal, and if you see this seal, has a retainer spring around it and is completely circular. It's not two half pieces. So this is one seal I found in this gasket kit. If you notice, this is my gasket complete kit. It doesn't have the head gasket, which is laying on the other side, and this is the second one I received in this kit. So I think this is for the camshaft, towards the, it goes towards the rear of the engine, which is towards the flywheel, and I believe it will go somewhere here. I will check again with my old parts when I was removing, so I will match it. But this is the one will go, and it does, I tried it to put it in this groove, the outer one. It fits properly, so this is the one going to fit. But I'm wondering, in other YouTube videos, I see rope seal, put it in the second groove, inside groove, but I don't see in my in my gasket kit. So either this seal is good enough, or maybe this kit doesn't come with the other rope seal. Anyway, so that's missing. So what I need to do is I need to go and find in any auto part store, if they have. That's good. But one thing also I noticed in my old parts, I only see these old seal. I don't see the second one, rope seal. So either it was not installed before, or these new Tisco gasket manufacturer, they think we don't need it. I will go ahead and double check. So again, this is for 134 engine, 4-cylinder, so it goes into Jubilee as well as 600 series. So I believe they are identical and they need rope seal for the second groove. So that's why I have stopped. I'm not going to proceed until I figure it out. I will Google search and see what happened. But if you notice, I do have this additional seal. These two green pieces will go vertically in this one, which is these two side grooves, this one and this one. I will install with the gasket sealant, Permatrex, I believe that's the name. So this is there, but I really am not getting it why I don't need this seal if it was not even installed before originally in this engine. So I believe it won't hurt if I install it. That's my understanding is, even it was not there before. So I'm stopping my work here. I will Google search and see if I can find this kind of rope seal somewhere close to like Tractor Supply, O'Reilly, or AutoZone, or whatever other auto parts stores. So that's about it. I wanted to actually proceed and complete this at least all the way to the installing the pistons, but it's a setback. So I'll continue. See you again. Bye.